In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add commission listings to Ko-Fi in minutes. If you want to offer custom services like artwork, graphic design, writing, video editing, coaching, or other personalized work through your Ko-Fi page, setting up commission listings is one of the easiest ways to start accepting client requests directly from your audience. Ko-Fi makes the process simple and beginner-friendly, so you do not need advanced technical skills to get everything running. Once your commission page is set up properly, potential clients can quickly view your services, pricing, and request options all in one place. To begin, open your browser and sign in to your Ko-Fi account. After reaching your dashboard, look through the menu options until you find the Commissions section, and make sure your Ko-Fi account is connected to PayPal or Stripe before you add a commission listing. When creating a new commission listing, start by adding a clear and professional title. Choose a name that explains exactly what service you provide, so visitors immediately understand what they are purchasing. A detailed title can also help your listing appear more professional and easier to understand. Next, write a description for your commission service. Explain what customers will receive, what is included in the service, and any important details they should know before placing an order. Keep your explanation simple, organized, and easy to read so clients know exactly what to expect. After that, set your pricing. Choose a price that matches the value of your work and the amount of time required to complete each request. Ko-Fi allows you to customize pricing and availability, making it easier to manage incoming orders more efficiently. You can also upload preview images or examples of your previous work. High-quality sample images help potential clients understand your style and build confidence in your services. A professional-looking presentation can make a big difference when attracting buyers. Another important step is adjusting your commission settings. You can control how many requests you accept at one time and whether your commissions are currently open or closed. This helps you stay organized and avoid becoming overwhelmed with too many orders at once. Before publishing your listing, review everything carefully. Double-check your title, pricing, descriptions, and images to make sure your page looks polished and accurate. Small details can improve trust and create a better experience for customers. Once your commission listing is live, start promoting it across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Discord, or any community where your audience follows your work. Sharing examples and short demonstrations of your services can help attract more potential clients. It's also a good idea to keep updating your portfolio and improving your listings over time. The more professional and organized your page looks, the more likely people are to place an order. And that's it. That's how you add commission listings to Ko-Fi quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.